Love the blame, but hey, I'm not crying at all. I just want you to come and take your responsibility. Enough is enough. Lord of Lemon. See, I don't know why. I've been calling you. You're not been picking my call. My messages, everything. I've been testing you for long. You're not been picking. You're not responding. What's all this? This is not what you promised me. This is not our agreement.
Hey, wahala be like bicycle. Film never come and Belle don shoot out. Oh, this one at the part 2. Hey, the girl don talk so many things for this video. Hey, my people, no be smart. I go put the video make una see am. This one loud. The girl don come talk so many things now. How Lemon take carry e 2 leg go up. How e take the joke go do am from back. How e take dey tell am saying love and pass Joy and Mary. My people, no be small thing. What did they happen to all those girls? Fine girls. So I'm not going to go look for another boy. You see what he do to Joy and Mary and Joy. You now going to see enter again. Eh? Hey, my people not be smart, you know. Make una help me share this video. The whole world need to see this video. Because the girl say, I beg me we help and share them. Say this one loud. Now, wow, my people. Eh? This one are number second now. We Joy Mary, you not go feel leave this guy. A guy wetin dey on that we will not know. How person boy will marry you with love. Now different girls you just gonna bring come house now. And you say you not go come out. Now wow. I'm gonna make sure this video, my people. Bye.
Love the blame, but hey, I'm not crying at all. I just want you to come and take your responsibility. Enough is enough. Lord of Lemon. See, I don't know why. I've been calling you. You're not been picking my call. My messages, everything. I've been testing you for long. You're not been picking. You're not responding. What's all this? This is not what you promised me. This is not our agreement. See, whatever thing that is happening in your family today, you bring it upon yourself. I'm just telling you because I have to bring this into your notice to online for people to know the kind of person you are. I only come to work with you. I only come to work with you. The next thing you take me to the hotel to do what exactly? And now I'm pregnant. I've been calling you to tell you what is on the ground. You're not picking because you know what you did. You know what you did. That was the reason you're not responding to my call, right? See, I will expose you, Lord of Lemon. I will expose you. You don't know the kind of person I am. I will expose you. Lord of Lemon, hey, I'm not crying at all. I just want you to come and take your responsibility. Lord of Lemon, I want you to come out and take your responsibility. Whosoever that know this guy. Alex, I want you to talk to your brother. Wise Money, talk to your friend. Let him come and take responsibility because I'm not going to take this lightly with him.